Making soap at home can be a fun and creative project. Here's a basic step-by-step guide for making homemade soap using the cold process method. Please note that handling lye sodium hydroxide can be dangerous, so make sure to follow safety precautions carefully. Ingredients: 1 pound 453 grams of vegetable-based or animal-based fat such as coconut oil, olive oil, or lard. 2.2 ounces 62 grams of sodium hydroxide lye. 4.8 ounces 136 grams of water. Optional. Fragrance oils, essential oils, colorants or additives for scent and appearance. Equipment: safety gear, safety goggles, gloves, and a long-sleeved shirt. Digital kitchen scale, thermometer, heat-resistant container for lye water mixture, stainless steel or heat-resistant plastic spoon. Soap mold, silicone molds work well. Stick blender, immersion blender, plastic wrap or a lid for the mold. Towels or blankets for insulation. Cutting tools, knife or soap cutter. Safety first. Before you begin, ensure you're in a well-ventilated area and wearing proper safety gear, including goggles, gloves, and a long-sleeved shirt. Keep children and pets away from your workspace. Cover your workspace with newspapers or plastic to protect surfaces. Have all your ingredients and equipment ready and within reach. Measure the ingredients. Weigh sodium hydroxide, lye, and water separately. Carefully add the lye to the water, never the other way around, while stirring gently. This will create a lye water solution. Be cautious, as this mixture will heat up and release fumes. Ensure good ventilation. Heat your chosen fats, oils, or lard in a heat-resistant container until they are completely melted. Use a microwave or a stovetop. Wait for both the lye water and fats to cool to around 100-110 F3843 C. Slowly pour the lye water into the melted fats while stirring gently but continuously. Blend the soap. Use a stick blender to mix the soap until it reaches trace. Trace is the point at which the mixture thickens to a custard-like consistency, and a trace of the soap batter leaves a faint trail on the surface when dripped from the blender. If desired, add fragrance oils, essential oils, colorants, or other additives to the soap batter. Stir them in thoroughly. Pour into molds. Pour the soap batter into your chosen molds. Silicone molds work well for soap making. Insulate and cure. Cover these soap molds with plastic wrap or a lid. Wrap the molds in towels or blankets to insulate them. Let the soap sit undisturbed for 24–48 hours to allow it to harden and go through the saponification process. Once the soap has hardened, remove it from the mold and cut it into bars or shapes. Allow the soap to cure in a cool, dry place for several weeks to several months. The longer it cures, the milder and harder the soap will become. It's advisable to test it on a small area of skin before using it on your body to ensure there are no adverse reactions. Remember that making soap with lye requires caution and careful measurement. Always follow safety guidelines.